Hey guys, welcome back. Today's quick tip is how to add a little modern convenience to the back seat of your Panther car by installing a USB charging port in the rear door panel. And let me give you a better shot of that. So you can see that it's already on and powered up, and that's because I have the key turned to accessory power. And then you can take your favorite iPhone 5S and plug it in, and you'll see the phone will start charging. And if you'll follow me over to this side, and because they are your rear passengers, there's a chance they may become unruly, and if you want to employ behavior modification, just turn on the window lock switch and you'll see the phone will stop charging. And if they get their act together and start behaving properly, you can turn the power back on and they'll be able to power their device. So if you want to learn more on how I did this and wired it up, I'll put a link to the installation video down below. And I did this 3 years ago, and 2 Panther car owners have already improved upon this design. So I recommend you check out their videos. And they're by the Texas Hamburglar and Fatty McMatty. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.